To join the Temu affiliate program on mobile, please follow these instructions. For joining on a computer, open this URL in browser. Find the link in description. Scroll down and click the Join Now button. Enter your email address and click Continue. Next, create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, symbols, and numbers. Then click the Register button. To verify your email, check your Gmail inbox, either in the Primary or Promotions tab, for the verification code sent by Temu. Enter the code, and your Temu account will be activated along with its affiliate links. You can refer to the description for my tutorial on how to use Temu. If you accidentally navigate away from the affiliate page, simply type affiliate in the search box on the Temu homepage to return to it. Please support my efforts to create this informative video by liking it and subscribing to the Dozro channel. Don't forget to check out my other tutorials as well. Thank you for watching.